Today I'll share 4 free courses for medical writing. So let's begin. First one, this is a good course from by Stanford University, Writing in Science. This have 8 modules. Okay, even beginner level can start with this. You can complete this in 3 weeks at a duration of 8 hours a week. And if you see, there is 4.9 rating for the instructor. And for the curriculum also, this course will guide you through practical examples and exercises, and includes format of scientific manuscript, grant writing, ethical issues in scientific publication, and writing for general audience. Okay, so these are the modules. If you can check the details here. Okay, they are also giving research manuscript writing guidance also. This is another course, that is effective writing. Okay, that is also 8 week course. Enrollment for this batch is Jan to March 2026, but it is already closed now. But the same course usually runs again in the next cycle, that is July to December. Course teaches you effective writing, academic writing, grant proposals, advertisement, blogs, business writing, uh, resume, and report writing, short and long. You can also learn how to write short stories and stage plays. Okay, even for this certification, you need to pay. This is one more course. This is English for thesis writing only. It has 8 week course duration. Okay, anyone can take the course who wants to learn research writing. Even you can improve your English by this. Batch started between Feb to April, and now it's already closed. But the same course usually runs again in the next cycle, July to December. So please check on their website. So the course layout is, they'll teach you academic scientific writing and basic grammar. They will also describe about visual information like graphs, bars, chart, tables, handling numerals, article abstract writing, citation for thesis, review references from where to get those things. After you are thorough with how to write scientific writing, you can check out this one also. This is also a good one, how to write and publish a scientific paper. There are 4 modules. Okay, you just need 1 week to complete it. See, if you see, they have given rating of 4.5. That is very good rating. And you can understand about how to complete a scientific paper, how to complete a journal, give for publication, and prepare a checklist that will allow you to independently judge whether your paper is ready or not. Comment course, and I'll share the course link. Thank you.